Hey, kindergarten friends. Welcome to Friday. Whoop, whoop. It's Friday. It's Friday. Today we're going to go away from our Go Math book a little bit and do a little review on some teen numbers. So if you haven't already tried this, I would love for you to practice writing your teen numbers. One of the things we haven't done before is practice writing the teen number words. So you'll write the word 11 and you'll practice writing your 11s. Just practice writing those teen numbers. Maybe do a page. Don't do them all. These are super fun. So it says black are the 11s. So you'll find all the 11s and color them black. The yellows are 14. The blues are 12. The greens are 15. Pink 13 and orange 16. And you can color in an awesome one. I challenge you when you're doing this to say the number as you color it. So if you're coloring the 11s, you're going to go 11, 11, 11, or 12, 12, 12. This one is more of a challenge. And this one, I think you will really find fun. You're going to write your numbers in counting order, but there are some missing, and you're going to have to figure out what those missing ones are. I would love one of these to be turned in so that I can see how you're doing on remembering your counting order. All right, if you flip it over, this one is a little trickier. So let's take a look here. It should go in counting order from left to right. So if I look here, there's a blank, blank 19. Well, I have to think, what number comes before 19? Well, 18 does. Well, what number comes before 18? Well, 17 does. So it would look like this. 17, 18, 19. If I do this one, it's 12 blank 14. Well, what goes in between those two? 13. Good job. 16 blank 18. 16, 17, 18. You get the idea. So you're going to make sure those numbers. Now, if I did 5, 10, 9, does that make sense? No, not at all. But if I do 16, 17, 18, those make sense because they go in counting order. You can use the other side to help you fill in those missing numbers. All right. So those are fun ones you can do. Another fun one you can do is you can do greater than or less than. So here's how this one goes. Remember this one? Number gators love to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Right? So if we look here, I'll just start with this first one. I have an 11 on this side and a 10 on this one. Go ahead and chomp the bigger one. That's right. 11 is greater. So I'm going to say 11 is greater than 10. Nice job, you guys. All right, we got a 13 and a 17. Is 13 greater than 17 or less than 17? It's less. 13 is less than 17. So you use those symbols there. Remember, if he doesn't know how to dine, he settles in the middle as an equal sign. Awesome. This one can be a little trickier because it's sort of like the spinner that we used before. And so we know we have one group of 10. And I'm going to get a darker color so that you guys can see that. We have one group of 10 and how many more ones? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 10 and 5 ones makes 15. So you can try one of those. All right. And we'll save the rest for next week, but just try some of those fun teen numbers. If you didn't like the ones I did there and you feel like you know how to do these, go ahead and do that. This one says dab. You're just going to color in the circle of how many are there. So the rest are just showing amounts, and you could do those too. So enjoy your teen numbers today. I hope you're really fluent in those by the time we come back, hopefully. And I will see you again on Monday with a new math book. Okay, talk to you soon, kindergartners. Have a good weekend.